despite their small size, possess remarkable cognitive abilities. With a brain containing only about 960,000 neurons, a modest number compared to the 100 billion neurons in the human brain, bees still demonstrate complex behaviors and impressive learning skills. Learning and memory abilities. One of the most astonishing abilities of bees is their capacity to learn and remember. They can memorize routes to flowers up to a mile away, a feat that not all humans can accomplish. Additionally, bees can learn to distinguish between different flower types to find the best nectar or pollen sources. For example, a bee might learn that yellow flowers offer better nectar, while blue flowers provide higher quality pollen. Learning through observation. Bees' learning ability is not limited to personal experience. They can also learn by observing others. In an experiment, scientists placed an artificial flower under a transparent cover with a string attached so the flower could be pulled out. Initially, most bees did not know what to do. However, when one trained bee learned to pull the string to access the flower, other bees watched and quickly learned how to perform the same task. This demonstrates that bees have social learning capabilities, a sign of advanced intelligence. Play behavior. Another fascinating discovery about bees is that they can engage in playful activities. In a study, scientists observed bees voluntarily rolling small balls without any associated reward. They did this purely for enjoyment, indicating that bees can engage in activities unrelated to foraging or reproduction. This suggests that bees, like mammals and birds, may experience a form of playfulness. Bees also exhibit an understanding of basic mathematical concepts. In some experiments, bees were trained to recognize differences in quantity and even perform simple arithmetic, such as addition and subtraction. For instance, when trained to select a larger or smaller quantity, bees could complete the task correctly. Remarkably, they even grasped the concept of zero, recognizing that nothing is less than one. This ability suggests a level of numerical cognition that was previously thought to exist only in higher animals. Communication through the waggle dance. Bees communicate with one another through a special dance known as the waggle dance. When a bee finds a food source or a potential new hive location, it returns to the hive and performs this dance to convey information to other bees. The direction and duration of the dance provide details about the location and distance of the food source in relation to the hive. This enables the entire colony to coordinate their foraging efforts efficiently. Illustrative story. To illustrate the remarkable intelligence of bees, consider an experiment conducted by researchers at Queen Mary University of London. In this study, scientists designed a device that required bees to pull a string to receive a sugar solution reward. Initially, the bees did not know how to perform the task. However, once one bee was trained to pull the string and get the reward, other bees observed and quickly learned the behavior. This demonstrates that bees can learn through observation and pass knowledge to one another, a characteristic typically seen in animals with high intelligence. Lessons learned. These discoveries challenge the traditional belief that intelligence is solely linked to brain size. Despite their tiny brains, bees exhibit learning abilities, memory retention, social learning, play behavior, and even basic math skills. Their ability to communicate complex information through the waggle dance further highlights their cognitive sophistication. Bees are not just simple insects, they are intelligent creatures with remarkable cognitive capabilities that continue to amaze scientists.